Jayant sends us a question through email and he says that he plans to take a loan for a ready-to-move-in property, but due to cash crunch, he's thinking of registering the property 2 to 3 months after possession. In this case, will the bank disburse 100% of the loan or will disbursement happen after registration? I think the bank is not going to wait for that, right?
Bank depends on from whom is buying. If he's buying it from a builder, they may not worry too much about the registration, but they may hold back some amount, may not be 100% disbursement, maybe about 70-80% disbursement will happen. But I don't think bank is too much bothered about the registration. But if the bank is finding that you're delaying, the bank may not be very happy, so they might do something, but I don't think the registration really will matter for the bank.
So you're saying the registration is not needed, necessarily a deal breaker here?
It's not a deal breaker. If they are convinced about the quality of the builder and your employer because of which they're giving the loan, the registration is not going to say, they're not going to stop your loan just because of the registration delay. But they have to be convinced that it's a good reason, because if you don't register after a longer time, then they will be worried.
Right.
So they will want the papers.
Would you recommend then? I'm assuming if Jayant is going, if a lot of builders put out in their advertisements, they say that so and so bank has pre-approved home loans or it is certified by so and so bank, etc. Makes sense to go to those banks?
Yeah, but basically you will go to the bank which is giving you the best rate, not necessarily who is giving the bank, the builder, the best rate.
No, in this case where he doesn't intend to register it immediately, will that make it easier for him to get that home loan?
Possibly, because the builder has a relationship with the bank, it is possible, but that bank might also insist on doing it, because the minute the loan is given to you, the risk shifts to the bank and not to the builder. So the bank will also want a quick registration, because in case there is a problem. Let's take a simple case. In case there is death, then what happens? So banks don't like to have too much of uncertainty, so they might push you. But I don't really know how a cash crunch is hurting you. Just take a bigger loan, do the registration and repay that loan. Maybe take a personal loan, but finish the registration. Be done with it rather than go to the bank and say, please delay it by 3 months.
And also here's why the registration is very, very important. Registration is a legal record that you are the legal owner of the property. It is a record with the government which shows you as the owner of the property, and that is why it is so important that you register the property that you buy.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.